Hello, this is Karen Yancey with Online Learning Services at the College of St. Rose, and I am going to show you how to add conversations to your Techsmith Relay video that you've uploaded to the library. Now, Conversations feature is very useful because it adds a lot of classroom interaction with the instructor and with fellow students. It's a lot like the program VoiceThread, however, it is text-based only. It does not allow for audio or video comments to be added to the timeline of the video. Let's start with creating a conversation in a video that I've uploaded into my library. I'm going to go down below the video timeline to the tabs. The one that says Conversations is the one you want to click. It says create conversations to discuss your media with other Relay users. You can have multiple unique conversations attached to a single piece of media. Create a conversation and then use the menu icon to get a shareable link. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a conversation. I'm going to label it Conversation 1 and press Create. And because I have 2 sessions in my class and I want them both to watch my video lecture, I'm going to create 2 conversations. Now, the conversations have several features. Up in this vertical ellipsis, you'll see that you can get a link to share this conversation with students through email or through Canvas, a Canvas page, and you can copy it onto your clipboard. You can rename the conversation. You can download all of the comments in the conversation. You can clear the comments and you can delete the conversation. Let's go into Conversation 1. Now, as you can see, I can add a comment down here along the timeline. I'm going to start the video. And I'm going to go into about a minute maybe a minute into the video. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to add a comment. Now this is because I've created this conversation and I am the moderator. I will see my comments and I can edit my comments. Now, if you are a student, you can edit your comments, but you cannot edit other students' comments. And you can still annotate as a student or an instructor. For example, I'm going to annotate with an arrow. I'm going to change the color of my annotation. I'm going to put a box, I'm going to create a box that is red. And I can circle. I'm going to change the color to green. And once again, I can clear all of my annotations. I can keep my text here and submit. And it shows up on the sidebar. I can edit my comment. Any student, any teacher can do this to their own comments. Teachers can edit and delete comments of students that they are moderating. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to reply to my comment. And there you see it. Now I'm going to go back to my video by clicking Manage Media. And then I'm going to go to Conversations, and I'm going to get into my second conversation. And here I can add my comment at another point of the timeline. I'm going to change the color of my text box to green and then submit. And now I'll go back and manage media. Go back to conversations. I'm going to delete my second conversation. It gives me a warning that I will lose all data, but I can download the comments before I delete it if I want to, so I'm going to do that. And it will download it as an Excel file. And there you see the conversation. Now I'm going to delete, and there I've gotten rid of the second conversation. I'm going to show you a conversation that I moderated with several students, and you can see that my initials are YK. I will moderate a comment by another student. I can click on it, I can edit it, I can delete it, I can reply to it, and he would see the reply. I can do this to all of the comments that my students make. I can delete any unnecessary comments or offending comments. So I have control over the conversation. I'm going to exit by pressing Manage Media. And now I'm going to show you how you can create an assignment in Canvas that includes a conversation with your Techsmith Relay video. So I'm going to go to my Canvas course. I'm going to go to my Assignments tab, Add an Assignment. I'm going to name the assignment Conversation. Going to add some instructions. Give it a point value of 100. My submission type will be an external tool. I will find that external tool in the scroll menu, and it's going to be Techsmith Relay that I want to click on. It will link to my Relay library, and I'm going to select how to create a rubric with Canvas with conversation. I'm going to click the checkbox here that says Add Conversation. Then I'm going to add media. Add conversation. Let's see, conversation. I can enter the conversation name. Confirm. It's going to ask me to confirm that I want to use Techsmith Relay again. And now I'm going to save and publish. And you will see the Techsmith Relay video. You'll also see where I can add a comment. I will add a comment here. I will add it to this point in the timeline. I'm going to add an annotation and then submit. And here's my comment. If I want to get rid of my annotations, I just click on the annotation button that is within my comment. Thank you for watching. This is Karen Yancey signing off.